How to create or how to add user roles for your Discord server on mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can add user roles for your Discord server on mobile. First, open up your Discord app, and then what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your server profile. Now here this MS1 that you can see on the screen is my server, so I'll just tap on it. Once you tap on it, what you want to do is again tap on the three horizontal line icon and then tap on your server username that you can see my machine server here, and then head into settings option. Once this pops up, simply head into settings and scroll down below and you'll find the option roles. Under the option user management, tap on roles. You'll get the option to create role. Now simply tap on create role. You can create a role name here, you can see, and you can choose color if you want, and then simply tap on create option, and then you can select the permissions they will have access to. Now you can choose from here. I'll just skip this step here, and then you can assign this role to particular members. Now I don't have anyone in my server except for me, I just created this, so simply select the member from here and then simply click on finish and the roles will be added. So this way you can add user roles for your Discord server on mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.